I'm Uvizi Mario, and today I'm doing a step-to-step guide on how to generate income from selling products online. So the strategy I'll be using is to create content that will drive organic traffic into a product or service that you want to sell. Now, you can build the product yourself or you can create the service yourself, but I think to begin with, it's best to test with products that's already in the market that are already have sales, and this way you don't have the responsibility to actually build it and ship it and to worry about all of those things. The same works for services. If you want to build software and sell it online, you are the responsible for maintaining it. So I think the best way to start is to selecting an existing product and earn a commission through each sale that you make. And we're going to make sales because we're going to create content that is optimized for you to sell the product that you want to sell. All right, so for this, we'll be using AI, and it will help you create content that will convert, that is CDO optimized, and that will convert into sales. And we'll also use a few other tools that I'll be listing under the comments in order to search the product that you want to actually sell, right? So I like to start by Amazon because Amazon has a great affiliate program that many of you already know, and it works well. So first you start by just searching for a topic that you like. And for example, I'm selecting bicycles and I get 411 results. So I can see there is a lot of supply and demand for it. And so the next step is selecting what actual product you're going to sell. So for this and to be SEO optimized, I like to come to SEMrush tool about keywords, where you can actually see by topic what are the top searches for keywords that people do and their intent. And I think intent is very, very important to understand because you don't actually want to create SEO content for commercial intent, right? Because the conversion rates can be much lower than if you're creating content about products that have a transactional intent, meaning that the user, when he searches for this type of content, he wants to actually buy, he's not investigating, he's already decided, and he wants to buy an actual product, right? So another thing that it is important to consider is the keyword difficulty, right? Because, for example, for bicycles, there are millions of articles online. So the difficulty on ranking higher will be obviously much more difficult, much more higher than, for example, bicycle helmet, right? That only has a 28% of difficulty, meaning it's easy to actually rank using this type of keyword, right? Note that, for example, helmets is already more difficult, and usually I would say it's also more informational because you're still searching for what's best, right? When you want a bicycle helmet, basically you want a specific one, or you already decided that you need one, and now you're going to buy. All right, so I will go back to Amazon and I will search for a bicycle helmet, right? Okay, so you can see there are 284 results. So there are a lot of helmets that you can choose from. For example, this looks kind of cool. Also, it's the best seller, meaning it probably has thousands of reviews and people like it, right? So 4.4 stars on 4,000 ratings, which is very good. It means it's a good product that people like and they buy recurrently, right? Okay, so I'm going to first, there is many ways we can do this, but I'm going back to our AI. I'm going, if you don't have an account, you just can create an account. I will leave a link below if you want to create an account. And you'll get access to 3 free articles, right? So if you want to test, you can start with one article, see how it goes, and then you decide if you want to keep using the tool or not. Okay, so we'll be joining a dashboard where we will start to create content for our product, right? So we decided to go with this helmet, and basically there are two strategies that I would implement. So you can either start writing general SEO articles, meaning, for example, how to ride a bike, and then include a link for the affiliate product that you have here, right? So for the product that Amazon will provide you, sorry, the link that the Amazon will provide you, and will give you a commission per sale that you make. Or you can, for example, write a review straight from the product. This platform has both options, right? So in here, you'll just copy the link from your product. Oh, sorry. All right, guys. Sorry, I had to cut the video because I had the wrong link, but I already fixed it. Okay, so resuming, you just copy your link, right, of your product, um, and you paste here on Amazon product URL. So Journalist AI has a special feature where you can make a review of a similar product. So it will generate a blog post with a review of the product itself, and it will use the reviews existing on Amazon, the existing reviews on Amazon, to generate the article, right? So you can choose your language, right? So for example, you can select and you can search for the keyword by country, right? So this database is from the United States. I'm from Portugal, sorry, for example. So I can also select, search the keyword on my country if I want to sell locally. Now, on my country, bicycle is not a very searched word because we say it differently. But we can leave it for the American audience, for example, right? So you need to adapt, adjust it, sorry, according to your country. All right, so I will leave it in English American, but you can see you have many options. Oh, sorry. So I'll go back to English American. You can also format it, right? So if you want only the title to be uppercase or the start or all caps, so you can format it, and you can also translate it to other languages, right? So if you want to try to sell the product in multiple locations, or for multiple people, you can select multiple languages. So okay, now we will generate article. Now the AI will write the review for us. You can see it's pretty quick. Right, so while it's generating, I can also tell you about the other feature that it's possible, which is to create a general CEO article. Right? In this feature, you want to actually search the keyword. Plus, you can also insert the title, right? The keyword will be the word that we search here. So we search bicycle helmet, right? So we can put, for example, bicycle helmet. And then you can think of a title that will attract people, right? So what is the best bicycle, or for example, because our our product is budget helmet, it's good to insert it here. Bicycle, this is best budget bicycle helmet, and for example, the year. So usually people also search because they want the most recent content about it. All right. Now there is a lot of things that you can configure, such as the target country, the language, knowledge base. Right. So this means that the AI is going to grab content from the web. I would leave this on, and you can also insert your knowledge base. Right. So you can upload an Excel with a knowledge base, for example, reviews from the product if you have them. Also, you can match the style of your blog if you already have a blog. If you don't have, you can personalize it here. If you want bold content or italic content or tables, so you can select here. For me, it's okay. Now, on the structure, you need to insert your call to action, right? This means that this will be the link that you have to put about the product, meaning that when the user click this button, he will go to the product itself, and when he buys, he will buy from your affiliate link, meaning you get a commission from the sale. Now, note that this link is a link of the product itself. You have to go to the Amazon affiliate program in order to do this, but it's pretty easy to do it. I can do it in a separate video. So follow me and I will teach you on how to do it. Okay, so you can also add internal linking for a sitemap. Now you can leave this off for now or as it is as default, because if it is your first time, probably the default settings will be the best for you. You can select if you want images, right, of the product itself, and what type of size and styling. You can leave stock images or AI images or custom images, right? So for this product itself, we have the actual image. So you can select, you can actually upload the image of the helmet, right? For this purpose, I will leave AI image so I can demo you. You can also add videos. So, for example, you can record a review if you want, or select an existing review that you resonate with, that you like, and that you agree with, and include it here. And also the auto translate feature. All right, so now we'll do the generate article. See that we have still 2 credits left, and we'll go check back to our Amazon article. Okay, so it's ready. Now a pop-up will appear, right? So you can see it grabbed the image from Amazon. It already knows the helmet that you're selling, a title. It inserted a table of contents, right? Because for SEO ranking, it will be very good that you'll have a table of contents so the user can read the titles and rank higher for keywords. And you can see that the key takeaways, right? So lightweight and comfortable, adjustable seat, detachable visor, excellent ventilation, durable material, right? So this is all information that's relevant for the customer when he's searching for something that to buy. And you can see that there is not a great amount of text, because really, who reads 2-page blog about an helmet? No one, right? You want to go straight to the point, and you want to be able to see the benefits of buying this helmet. All right, so everything seems okay. You can obviously modify the content or not if you're fine with it. I like this article, so I don't want to change anything. And it also adds a meta description, right? And I want to continue, right? Right, so to continue, you can already see the article and the structure here on your dashboard. You can edit with AI, right? Um, and here you can only read it. Now, this is a better feature that will tell you what is your SEO score, right? So it will be very useful because, if it's slow, we can edit with AI to improve it, right? So before publishing it. Right, so you can create or select text, send to integration. If your website was hosted on WordPress, for example, or on WordPress, sorry, you can integrate it here and auto publish. So you don't need to actually copy and paste. You can directly publish your content, right? Right, so our other article is also finished, right? So remember, here we're not doing a product review. Here we created an article about what is the best budget bicycle helmet in 2024, which is something that people would search for when buying an helmet, right? So you can see the structure is very similar. We also have a table of contents, which will rank you higher. The key takeaways, right? So I want the value straightforward to my user, right? When making a sale, I don't want to create a huge blog post. I want to have a way of quickly telling if this is the product I want or not. So that's why we had key takeaways here at the beginning. And then we have a lot of information about pros and cons, where to buy. So this is where your CTA will be. User reviews, great value, right? Key features, and you can see the titles: best for versatility, zero register MPS. All the titles are also SEO oriented, right? So everything in this article is made for you to make more sales, right? So it even went to YouTube and grabbed a video of a review and different price comparisons. Now we are because we are selling through an Amazon article. We want to leave the CTA buttons with our link, but we can also leave other options for users to buy elsewhere, but they will not go through our link, meaning they will have more work and probably they will select our link. And also, we can select places or websites where the helmet is more expensive, meaning that the user will see clear value on going through your link and purchasing the helmet there. Okay, so very similar to what we did. We just accept this article. I like the structure. Obviously, if you want, you could, if you want, you could edit it. But it's already very good for these purposes. Obviously, the next step would be to actually publish into your website. And I will do a separate video explaining on how to auto-publish content through your website. And now your goal will be to create as much content as possible, right? Because you can see that bicycle, sorry, I'm searching for Portugal, but let's go back to the United States. You can see that the bicycle helmet keyword, which is the one that we are ranking for, it's easy, right, to rank high, but still you need volume, right? You need a lot of content and a lot of keywords to rank high because, right, even SEMrush is advising, right? You will need quality content focused on the keywords intent, right? Bicycle helmet, buy bicycle helmet. What is the best bicycle helmet to buy? What is the best bicycle helmet in 2024? Now, because we're using AI, you can actually create hundreds of posts actually very quickly and try to rank high very quickly and test if you can sell the product or not. If it's not going well, you can always switch product because there are many parts on this equation in order to sell the product, right? So the key here is you can do this strategy with any product or service, right? So you just need to focus on posting a lot of content and with quality. Now the quality is already assured. You just need to do the volume, right? You need to come here, generate blog articles, and rank them, right? So you can see here how our articles are going to look like. All right, so I'm going to leave the links in the descriptions, right? If you have any question, you can always contact me, and I'm here to help. And good luck. See you.